Good afternoon. Today, we are going to see about some 2 mark questions on A operator. Sometimes in exams, they may ask like this also. So like lambda, just take down this question. If lambda is equal to 1 at the angle of 120 degree, instead of A, what they have given is they have given as lambda. Lambda is equal to 1 at the angle of 120 degree. Prove that 1 plus lambda square is equal to 0. That means 1 plus a squared is equal to 0. Given that lambda is equal to 1 at the angle of 120 degree or 1 e to the power of j 2 pi by 3. So in any way they may give in degrees or radians, in any way they may give. So we need to solve the problem. That's all. So if you convert the 1 at the angle of 120 degree, given that lambda is equal to 1 at the angle of 120 degree, that is 1 e to the power of plus j into 2 pi by 3. That is nothing but cos 2 pi by 3 divided by 3 is cos 2 pi by 3 plus j into sine 2 pi by 3. So what is the value of cos 2 pi by 3? Just take your scientific calculator and you can solve this. You may get answer as minus 0.5. What is the value of this sine 2 pi by 3 plus j into 0.866? So this is the value of lambda. So lambda is given as lambda is equal to 1 at the angle of 120. That is nothing but minus 0.5 plus j into 0.866 in terms of the complex format. In terms of the complex, this is the polar format. This is the complex um, format. This is the complex format. So here, what is lambda square? Lambda squared or otherwise a squared. That is nothing but 1 at the angle of 240 degree. That is nothing but just if you convert this polar form into complex form in your scientific calculator, you'll get the answer as minus 0.5 minus j into 0.866. That is the value of our lambda square. What is the value of lambda cube in the sense 1 at the angle of 360 degree? 360 degree, that is nothing but 1. 360 degree, if you solve with your scientific calculator, it will give like 1 plus j0 or simply 1. So what we need to prove that 1 plus lambda squared plus lambda plus lambda square is equal to 0. 1 plus lambda square is equal to 0. Now you need to substitute all this 1 plus lambda. What is the value of lambda? Here minus 0.5 plus j into 0.866 plus lambda square. Lambda square plus minus 0.5 minus j into 0.866. So just you need to simplify this. So what happens if you simplify this? This I think this and this get cancelled, and this minus 0.5 plus minus 0.5 minus 0.5. So both minus 0.5 minus 0.5 will become minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. So 0. So hence it is true. That is 1 plus lambda square plus lambda square is equal to 0. Hence it is true. So this is the 2 mark question. Like that also they may ask in your exams. So if you're in undergraduate level, like a BE, BTech, you're studying. So this kind of problems they may repeatedly ask. Prove that 1 plus a squared is equal to 0. That also they may ask. So sometimes they may given with some other notations also, and they given what is the value of that notation clearly. That also. So either in what way they may ask, you need to solve that problem, and very simple. Like if your scientific calculator, just if you type this and convert into complex format, okay, easily you may get the